Super delicious secret recipe. Potatoes cauliflower fried in air fryer. Mixed with various spices. Please try this once. Take 1 blanched medium cauliflower florets. 2 medium-sized potatoes cut in 2 cubes. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Mix well. Place this in air fryer. Spread it evenly. Initially set for only 10 minutes at 200 degrees C. After 5 minutes, mix well. After 5 minutes, stop and mix well. Then set for 10 minutes at 180 degrees C. Keep on flipping after 5 minutes. Once ready, keep it aside. Take 1½ tablespoon oil in preheated pan. Add a ½ teaspoon cumin seeds on low flame. Add 2 red chillies, 2 bay leaves, 1-inch cinnamon stick, 1 javantri, 1 chakra full, 2 cloves, 2 green cardamom. Sauté for few seconds. Add 3 sliced onions. Stir it until golden brown. Take 3 tomato chillies and 1-inch ginger. Grind to make a paste. Once onion is golden brown, add the paste into it. Add salt to taste. Mix well. Add 1 tablespoon garlic. Mix well. Cook it until oil separate out. Add a ½ teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, a ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, a ½ teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Mix well. Add 2 tablespoons water. Cook it until golden brown. Cover it for some time. Now this is ready. Add air-fried potatoes and cauliflower. Cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. Add a ½ cup peas. After adding peas, cook it for 2 minutes. Add 2½ cup water. Mix well. 1/2 teaspoon garam masala. Cook it for 5 minutes on low flame. Slowly the curry flavor will go inside. Add 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Ready to serve. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel.